Inside of this box is something I never thought I would buy. Let's take it upstairs and I'll explain more. Okay, here it is. I whacked my nail on the way through. Right, what do we have here? So, for the last 10 years, all of my editing and design work I've done on this iMac here. On this one. This is a 2009 or 2010 iMac. And it was getting to the point, where it was just crashing, everything was slow. I did a photo shoot on Saturday, it took 5 seconds to preview a photo. 5 seconds, and I had 2,000 photos to go through. I was like, right, okay, enough is enough. And I had been time between the decision of buying a new iMac or getting a custom PC, and eventually I went for a custom PC. And in this box, we have it. So let's unbox it. Whoa. Ooh. I don't believe I ordered this one. I swear I ordered the black one. And it's white. Let me check. So hot in here. Give me a second. I just checked my invoice, and I bought the NZXT H500 mid-tower gaming case in black. This one looks white to me. That looks white. Oh, I guess it's going back, unless I learn to love white. Okay, so I've gone through my invoices if it was meant to be black. It's white. I think I can live with it. It's not actually too bad. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So obviously still need to organise all this, but that is more or less how it looks. And it kind of blends into the wall nicely, so it doesn't look too bad. It makes this kind of all pop out more. Here you can kind of see all the interior. I'll do some B-roll later on. Yeah, once the desk is all set up, that is what I will be working with. That's what I'll be working with. Now I need to install Microsoft, and I also need to try and install iOS. I'm going to have it as a dual system. I can run Mac and Microsoft together on one system. First time doing it, wish me luck. I'm going to leave the video there. I will do a review on this once it's working. I'll tell you all the components, all that kind of stuff, and hopefully I can get it working today. Oh, another bit of news, totally different. I've got a dog arriving today. Another dog is joining the family. It is my girlfriend's dog, and he is coming from Spain. He should be here in about 3 hours. So yeah, that is also another thing to look forward to this evening for me. Anyway, leaving it here. See you guys in the next video. Peace.